Hey guys, welcome to AP Environmental Science with Mr. Jones. Today we're going to be talking about biomes. Overview of this lesson, the things that I hope you come away with are what is a biome in a really general sense, and how do we start to define both terrestrial and aquatic biomes. So, what is a biome? A really general definition is a community of plants and animals that have common characteristics that are well adapted for the environment that they exist in. We're going to break that down into terrestrial and aquatic biomes because we define their bounds a little differently. So let's start with terrestrial biomes. Terrestrial biomes are biomes that are on land, and we define them with temperature and precipitation. So if we put these on the x and y axis of a graph, we could take a given temperature or an average precipitation, average temperature, average precipitation for any location on land on the globe and get a pretty good idea of which biome would exist there. And this is just a map of all the different biomes and their locations on the Earth. It's important to know that these boundaries, the boundaries of these biomes, are fluid. So as climate changes, temperature and average precipitation in an area shift, and that can ultimately change the biome in that given area. Aquatic biomes are defined a little differently. We have to look at salinity first. So is this a freshwater or saltwater environment? The water flow in that area is also going to be a factor. So we have ponds and lakes that have very little to no flow at all. And then rivers and streams, which can have really fast flow. And the last factor that we take into account when defining aquatic biomes is depth. And here is a little infographic that shows all of the different aquatic biomes that we're going to look at in class.